but you have 50 PF members who resigned from PF to join UPND, and pictures are there, and the real names are there. You have Shaka Fuso openly declaring that he is going to back to his former home, the UPND, making a very wise decision to come back to UPND. That news doesn't hit the screens of the paper that digs deeper. Meanwhile, they would rather continue haranguing, they'd rather continue insulting our president, Hakainde Hichilema, when we have said we are happy with them not covering us, because we don't think that there's anybody that is going to win the presidency in Africa, and especially in Zambia, on the basis of a newspaper.